Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Minecraft Bedrock. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is simply from here, once you are in Minecraft Bedrock, you're going to search for your Xbox app. From here you're going to enter it. Now the Xbox app is sure to download because from here you can access your friends section on the bottom right. Once you click on your friends, you can see there is a button that says start a party. Now once you click on start a party, this will start a party chat just for you and your friends who are playing the same game. So your list of friends will appear right here and you can just choose them. And once you do that, it will list them all in one party and then you can start a party chat that only is for you guys once you play Minecraft Bedrock. And it's perfect because Xbox is integrated with Minecraft, so you can add anyone in any server to your party just by adding their name, and they can instantly have party chat with you very easily. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.